I think that the part that I realized early was that when it's all about the technology, it's about novelty, right? When it's all about the technology. And that was the difference, I'd say, between the work we did at Carnegie Mellon and the work we do at the company. It was, we're pushing the frontier, always trying to do the newest thing, and exciting. You got the smartest people in the world working with you, and they're trying to make a mark. And the mark is done by showing how novel your systems are, right? And the biggest lesson I learned was that to take it the next step, okay, what you have to do is you have to think about application. And you have to think about reliability. And you have to think about usability. You have to think about the economics of it. You have to find partners who are synergistic, who will come aboard even at the early going, who are early adopters. They're not, typically the commercial world is not so keen to jump on technology that is still just a, like a very simple demonstration stage. So I think that took me a while to adopt. And I would say to anybody doing this is that you have to think about that sooner than later. In our case, the market was not quite there yet. It was evolving, so there wasn't really like, okay, it's just a matter of going and finding the market and the partners, because in the early going, there weren't people interested in this, and there weren't other companies building these interesting aircraft that are going to disrupt the future of aviation. So, but we could see at the early going that we would have to think about these kinds of things that are beyond the technology. The technology would have to become subservient to a use case and a business case, right? That is, I think, that is the biggest lesson for any entrepreneur who's taken our route.